Welcome to Gains and Ways International Learn at Home. I'm still your favorite biology teacher. Today I'll be talking on reconciling living things, in brackets, organization of life. You've actually discovered that human beings have been so curious to know about things around them, especially those things that have life in them. And because of that, we now decide to study about biology. So I'm going to move to the board so that it will help you to understand this topic very well. The term biology, is coined from two Greek words. The term biology is coined from two Greek words, which is the bios and the logos. The bios and the logos. So the bios stands for life and the logo stands for study. And that is how we get the definition of biology, which is the study of life. And we discovered that actually those things that have life in them are plants and what? Animals. So in biology we are studying about plants and what? Animals. And we have so many branches of biology. We have so many of them, but for now I'm going to talk about this. The first one is zoology. Zoology is the study of animals. Botany is the study of plants. Ecology is the study of plants and animals in relation to their environment. The study of plants and animals and how they get to relate to their environment. That is what we call what? Ecology. But when we now start studying the external feature of those plants and animals, we now start talking about morphology. If we start talking about the internal structure, when we start studying the internal structure of those plants and animals, we start studying what? Anatomy. So this one now, ecology deals with the study of plants and animals and how they get to relate to the environment. But when you start studying about the external feature, everything outside that of the animals and plants, we are now talking about morphology. If you start studying about those internal structures, we start talking about plants and animals. Then we'll talk about genetics. We say that genetics is the study of heredity and variation in living things. Hereditary and the variation in what in living things. Physiology is the study of how plants and animals function. When you start studying about how plants and animals function, we are now talking about physiology. So I will advise you to like, comment, subscribe, share to get more videos coming. Thanks.